Ganito naman gagawin niyo pag gusto mo ng activity for the kids. Para hindi sila puro phone. Dito lalabas yung creative side nila. At syempre, wag natin kalimutan, mag-e-enjoy din. This is my recipe ng homemade cupcakes. Napakasarap, sobrang dali. Let's begin. 245 grams all-purpose flour. Lahat to ay dadaan natin sa sifter. We will also need 75 grams of cocoa. Hindi ko lang napakita pero meron na dito. Na-add ko na yung 2 cups of sugar. Then i-add mo na tag 1.5 teaspoon ng baking soda and baking powder. Mix mabuti, then set aside. 1 cup warm water and 1 tablespoon coffee. 1 cup of milk and half cup oil. 1.5 teaspoon vanilla and 2 eggs. Mix. Then our next step, combine na natin sila together. Haluin using a wire whisk and do not overmix. Then transfer na natin sa cupcake pan na merong cupcake liners. Once done, sasalang na natin sa preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 17 minutes or depende sa oven nyo. Dito, binabrasyan ko lang siya ng simple syrup. That's just sugar in hot water. And ayun na, meron ng cupcakes na pwedeng enjoy ng mga kids na pwede nilang i-design and share with their friends. Yung ginamit kong frosting dito, napakadali lang. Whipped cream lang yan with food color. Kung gusto nyo, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng whipped cream, frosting, or may request kayo, comment kayo.